In this video, we're going to rewrite an equation that is written in factored form to standard form. The first step that I'm going to take on this is just to distribute this 2 that's out in front here, and I'm going to distribute it just inside these first parentheses. So first we're going to do -2 times the x and get -2x, and -2 times the +1 is -2. And then we're just going to rewrite the rest of the equation. And the next step, we're going to again use distributing. I'm going to take this x right here, since there's only one term, and I'm going to distribute it to both terms in the front. So this x is going to be multiplied by the -2x and also by the -2. So -2x times x is -2x squared. -2 times x is just -2x. And then I have the x minus 1 and x minus 3. Now for this next part, I'm going to use an area model because I like to keep my work organized using an area model when I'm doing these types of multiplications. So I'm going to multiply this first quantity times the x minus 1. So I know that there are 2 terms in the first and 2 terms in the second, so my area model is going to have be 2 by 2. So I'm going to put the first one up here. It doesn't really matter, you could put it along the side, but I'm going to put it on top, minus 2x, and then the second one along the side. Filling in the area model, this first box, I get -2x cubed, because -2x squared times x is -2x cubed. The next box, we're going to take x times the -2x, and that will be -2x squared. Down below, -1 times -2x is going to be +2x squared. And in the last box, -2x times -1 is +2x. The next thing we need to do is to combine our like terms. I notice right in the middle here, okay, the -2x squared and the +2x squared are going to add together and give me 0. So that term is going to cancel out completely. So when I rewrite what I have left, I have -2x cubed plus 2x. And I've already multiplied this first quantity by the second quantity, so now I just need to multiply it by this third quantity, which is x minus 3. I'm going to use another area model for this, again just to keep my work organized. I'm going to put the first one up top again, 2x cubed plus 2x, and then along the side, x minus 3. Filling in my box, x times 2x cubed is -2x to the 4th. The second box over here on the right, x times 2x is 2x squared. Down below, -2x cubed times -3 will be +6x cubed. And then the last box, -3 times 2x is -6x. So all we have to do is just add all those terms together and we're finished. I notice in this area model there are no like terms. We've got an x to the 4th, an x squared, x cubed, and x. So there's no like terms we need to add together. I'm just going to list them in descending order of their highest power. So I have -2x to the 4th, and I'm going to put the x to the 3rd next. So plus 6x to the 3rd, plus 2x squared, and then finally minus 6x. And that's how you write the polynomial in standard form from factored form. So that is our final answer. Hope that helps.